Okay, my dear students, after the discussion of news chart, now we start our maths lesson. Okay, my dear students, today we have to revise number 1, 2 and number 3. Okay, so let's start number 1. Look, which number is this? Which number is this? Number 1. This is number 1. This is number 1. Very good. Now, look at this. Which number is this? This is number 2. This is number 2. Number 1, number 2. Now, this is number 3. Which number is this? This is number 3. Number 1, number 2 and number 3. Number 1, number 2 and number 3. Now we have to complete this paper ice cream by placing the circles according to the number of cone. Now we have to put the circles on the cones according to the number. Okay, first we look number 1. Number 1. Number 1. So we have to put one circle on this cone. Okay. One circle. Good. Now look. Number 2. Number 2. Number 2. Very good. So, we have to put 2 circles on the cone. Look like this. One circle and 2 circles. Very good. Now, look at number 3. Number 3. Which number is this? Number 3. So, we have to put 3 circles on this cone. Look like this. One circle, and 2 circles, and 3 circles. Very good. Now, number 1, number 2 and number 3. Okay, my dear students, now you have to revise these numbers again and again. Okay, now you have to do practice writing of these numbers. Look like this for writing of number 1. Okay, my dear students, for writing of number 1, look at this. How many masjid is there? There is one masjid. There is one masjid. Okay, for writing of number 1, you put your pencil tip on starting point, then go up to down. Now make a standing line. Go up to down and make a standing line. Look again. You go up to down and make a standing line. Very good. Now, look at number 2. For writing of number 2, how many apples are there? 1, 2. How many apples are there? There are 2 apples. There are 2 apples. Now, look, for writing of number 2, you put your pencil tip on starting point, then make a curve, then make slanting line, then make sloping line. Very good. Look again. Make a curve, then make slanting line, and then make sleeping line. Look like this. Very good. For writing of number 3. Number 3. Look, how many books are there? There are 3 books. How many books are there? 1, 2, 3. There are 3 books. Now look, for writing of number 3, you put your pencil tip on starting point, then make a curve, backward curve, then again make a backward curve facing back. Look like this. Very good. Number 1, number 2 and number 3. Okay. Okay, my dear students. Today your task is you have to revise all these numbers from your math book with all activity pages and writing practice on sand. On sand again and again. Look like this. For number 1, go up to down, make standing line. For number 2, make a curve, then slanting line, then sloping line. Look like this. Then for number 3, look, you make a curve, backward curve, then make again backward curve facing back. Look like this. Very good. Okay. Now you have to do practice on sand again and again. Okay. Thank you.